Hi friends, our letter of the week this week is X. Can you say X? To make an X in sign language, you kind of just make a hook with your finger. X. X involves two lines that you cross. So you start at the top with your pinchy fingers, big diagonal line down, back to the top on the other side, big diagonal line down. Lowercase x is the same but smaller. Start at the top, big small line down, back to the top, small line down going the other way. Not that many words start with X. The sound that X makes is x, x, x. Sometimes it makes the sound that Z makes, which is z. This is a picture of our bones. It's called an X-ray. Can you say X-ray? X-ray. And then the other pictures on here end with the word X because not that many words start with X. So this is an animal. Do you know what it is? It's called an ox. Can you say ox? The X is the letter making the x sound. Ox. This is a picture of a sign that you might see when you leave somewhere. It says exit. Exit. The X sound is in the middle of the word. And this is a picture of a hippo mixing. Can you say mix? X is at the end of the word mix. Mix. So, when I say X, you say X, 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 X. When I say X, you say Z, X, Z, X, Z, X, Z. So X makes those two sounds. This is a special bird called a xenops, and it starts with X. Can you say xenops? Xenops. Who can tell what these are? It's a picture of our bones in our mouth and a picture of our bones in our hands. These are called X-rays. Can you say X-rays? X-rays. And we have our book here. It's going to start off with a word that starts with X. X is for X-ray. And then the rest of the pictures are going to be words that end with X. What number is this? This is the number 6. 6 ends with X. 6. This is a picture of a box. Box ends with the word X. Box, the letter X rather. And what animal is this? This is a fox. Fox ends with the letter X. Fox. Once again, we have our pictures of the picture of this guy's ribs. It's called an X-ray. Can you say X-ray? And this is a fun instrument that starts with X, but it makes a Z sound. It's called the xylophone. Can you say xylophone? Good job. Let's see this poem about the letter X. Xavier was an alien, extraterrestrial. He was born on planet X, extremely far from Earth. He had two pointy heads. His vision was X-ray. He saw exactly everything in an alien way. Check out Xavier. Let's take a look at all the words with X in them. Let's see. Xavier is a name that starts with the letter X. Xavier was an alien. Extraterrestrial. Extraterrestrial has an X in it. That means alien. He was born on planet X. Planet X, the name of the planet. Extremely far from Earth. The word extremely has an X in it. He had two pointy heads. His vision was X-ray. He saw exactly, another X, everything in an alien way. Xavier the alien. And now, if you'd like to do a writing activity, we're going to make the letter X. You can use a crayon, marker, chalkboard, dry erase board. I made some lines here. You don't have to have lines. To make an X, you take your pinchy fingers. You start at the top. Do a big diagonal line down, back to the top on the other side, another big diagonal line down, and we get our letter X. This might be hard for some younger friends to cross at the midpoint, but if you can do it, great. Lowercase x is the same, but we start in the middle of the line. Little diagonal line down, back to the top, little diagonal line down the other way. I'm going to do another one. Big diagonal line down, big diagonal line down. So friends, you might be able to make this letter on your own. If not, you could ask a family member to make the letter and then you can trace it. So I'm going to trace it, go over what I did already. Big diagonal line down, big diagonal line down, lowercase x, big diagonal line down, big diagonal line down. Always start at the top, big diagonal line down, big diagonal line down. That's our letter X. Who remembers how to say X in sign language? You make a little hook on your finger, X. Can you show me an X with your arms? X, X, X. Good job. Can we trace an X in the air? Start at the top, big diagonal line down, back to the top on the other side, big diagonal line down. Good job. See if you could stand up and do it with your whole body.